Life is a choice. We all have the power to choose. Today was my plan to do a long walk, 20,000, maybe more steps. But when I got up, the sky is like this. And the weather shows it's gonna rain 80 to 90%. I chose to come for a walk early in the morning and didn't let the mind to tell me, hey, it's gonna rain today, maybe you do it tomorrow. We all have this choice in our life. Choose to do things and choose not to do things. And we have that power. No one can take that power from us. Make sure to choose wisely. It's easy not to do it. It's very important to do it. Get up and do what you need to do. Training, anything in your life. Don't be lazy.